What if I told you one of the most luxurious and advanced BMWs ever made became one of the most unreliable cars in history? Today, we're diving deep into the story of the BMW 7 Series E65, a car that promised innovation and prestige, but delivered headaches for many owners. Background: history. The BMW 7 Series E65 was introduced in 2001 as the flagship model of the brand. It was meant to represent the future of luxury cars: sleek design, cutting-edge electronics, and the brand-new iDrive system. For the first time, a BMW dashboard was dominated by a single control knob, the iDrive, which controlled almost every function in the car: lights, climate, navigation, entertainment, everything. It looked futuristic, it felt modern, but innovation sometimes comes at a price. The problems began. Owners soon discovered that the E65's high-tech features were not as reliable as they seemed. Electrical failures became common. Lights, sensors, and onboard computers often malfunctioned. Transmission problems were another major headache. Many drivers reported harsh shifting, delayed response, and costly repairs. And then there were the sensors. The car had dozens of sensors, each monitoring a different system. If just one sensor failed, it could trigger warning lights across the dashboard, sometimes falsely. iDrive issues. One of the most talked about problems was the iDrive system itself. While revolutionary, it was confusing and glitchy in early models. Some drivers struggled to even adjust basic functions without constantly referencing the manual. Repairs were expensive. Fixing a small iDrive malfunction could cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. For some owners, the maintenance bills began to rival the car's value. Owner reactions. Many BMW enthusiasts were frustrated. Social media and forums quickly filled with complaints. The car is amazing until something breaks. Repair costs are insane. I love the car, but it's a nightmare to maintain. Some even joked that owning this car was a full-time job because of the constant maintenance. Why it still matters. Despite all its problems, the E65 7 Series was an important car for BMW. It introduced innovations that shaped modern luxury vehicles, from advanced electronics to the iDrive interface, which has since evolved into a much more reliable system. The E65 also pushed competitors to innovate, raising the standard for luxury cars everywhere. Conclusion, reflection. So, was the BMW 7 Series E65 a disaster, or was it simply ahead of its time? It's a reminder that cutting-edge technology can come with unexpected challenges. For some, it was a nightmare. For others, it was a bold step into the future of driving. What do you think? Would you risk owning a car like this for the experience and prestige, or would you stay safe with a more reliable option? Comment below your thoughts. And if you want more car stories, unusual facts, and reviews, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.